you're already behind. Girl, are you ready to finally stop overthinking and create your YouTube channel? Because today, I'm giving you the step-by-step guide to starting your channel the right way. No confusing tech talk, no unnecessary steps, just the exact blueprint to get your channel up and running so you can start making content. And of course, that money. So grab your wine, sit back, and let's get into it. Okay, first things first, let's actually create your channel. If you don't have a Google account, girl, you're already behind. So go to youtube.com, click your profile icon, and hit create a channel. Super easy, right? Now your channel name should be something catchy and easy to remember. If you're starting a beauty or a lifestyle channel, use your name or something like your name beauty or life with your name. Just make sure it's unique so people can find you easily. Now that you've got your channel set up, let's make it cute because first impressions matter, babe. Head over to YouTube Studio, customization, and do these 3 things. Upload a high quality profile picture, ideally of your face or your logo. Create a channel banner. Canva is your best friend for this. Write a catchy channel description. Make it clear of what your channel is about, but make it long enough to where your audience understand what your channel is about and what your videos are about. Now let's talk about your first video. You don't need a fancy camera or a studio. Your phone is more than enough. Okay, but what matters is lighting, sound, and confidence. So for lighting, try to sit in front of a window or get a simple ring light. For sound, use a mic if you have one, but if not, record in a quiet place. And confidence, girl, act like you've done this before. No overthinking, just talk to your audience like your bestie. Okay, time to upload, but wait, we need to make sure your video actually gets views, so let's optimize it with these 3 things. Title, make it searchable and catchy. For example, how to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Description, include keywords and a short summary of your video. Tags and hashtags. Use keywords like YouTube for beginners, start a YouTube channel, and content creator tips to help people find your video. Now that your video is live, let's get people to actually watch it. Here's what you need to do. Share on social media. That means share it on Instagram, share it on TikTok, share it on Facebook. Tell your friends and family, even if it's cringe. Now, this is the important one. Engage in the comments. Reply to everyone because YouTube loves engagement. And don't forget to ask people to subscribe. Make it clear that you're building a community. People will want to support you. And that's it, girl. Now you have everything you need to start your YouTube channel from scratch. So no more excuses. If you're ready to grow on YouTube, hit that subscribe button because I've got more content creator tips coming your way. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it.